What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Blue, and today we just gonna have a trade recap of the trades that I took. Let me know what trades y'all took and leave them down in the comments. So, y'all, as y'all know, I'm only gonna be trading one contract, adding from there if it goes in the direction that I want it to go. So we not gonna have no big trades or nothing like that, and we just gonna try to build this account back up. I got a little bit of money going back into the account so that I can add more contracts. But we gonna go ahead and get into this video, and I'm gonna let y'all see what trades I took. All right.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So today I ended up taking two trades. I actually had the first one on live, but I'm not gonna post it because I didn't get nothing but that one live. But anyways, out the gate, I was looking for a position, and I was gonna take it when it dumped out right here, but I didn't like the way it was moving in that first candle, so I put an order up over this area, this resistance pre-market, and got filled. Then I added when it got up to this, and it ended up pulling back. So I took my order off, which I kind of wished that I held it a little bit longer because I could have got some of this move. But anyways, I was looking for my second order, and it never set up until right up under this candle right here. And I could have took an order off it in this wick because it moved the amount that I would have been looking for. And I would have ended up in one contract and ended up taking it off somewhere up in here on this pullback, on this bounce. But I didn't get in. So I sat around waiting for another setup. And by 11, they had it set up again. And I was like, okay, maybe I'm not going to get a second trade. But I said, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and throw another order out there after 11. So when it pulled all of this, I had an order sitting up under this area, and I put in an order up over this area, and it ended up coming down and bouncing and filling me up here. So I added, as it reached up in here, I added another position, and I wanted to add up here, but it didn't get up there. So it ended up pulling back and taking me out, and I could have got a little bit more, like I said, but I don't want to hold position super long, so that's cool. But anyways, that's all the orders or all the entries that I ended up getting in at, and I ended up making $50 for the day. I'm letting last week's trades or losses dictate the way I trade now, and that's not really good. I need to get out of my own way and put my orders in like I normally do, and stop letting me myself mess up myself. So anyways, that's it for today. We're gonna see what we can get tomorrow, and we'll be back at it then. All right. So it is Tuesday, September the 22nd, and I took two trades. On the first trade out, the opening is red candle. I called it for the dump down to the 20 MA and got long and took it off as it popped back up. So then I was waiting for it to break this area, and when it broke through, I ended up taking one contract, and for some reason I think I hit it on the wrong side to add, and I added immediately, but I wanted to sit an order out down here. So I ended up having to hurry up and take it off and end up losing money on my first trade. But I added when it got down here, and then I added again as it pushed down some more, and I took it off once it bounced. So I was looking through all of this, and I was waiting for it to break through here, but I had a doctor's appointment, so I didn't have enough time to try to take the trade if it broke this area. But as you see, I would have ended up in down here at 67 and probably around 64 and 61. And it bounced back up, and I would have took it off. But that's hindsight, even though I didn't catch it. But anyways, those are the trades that I took for the day. I ended up making, let's see, 57.50 today. I actually ended up taking another trade yesterday afternoon just to see if I could get anything, and I ended up making another, I believe it was $30 yesterday. So I ended yesterday with 80 instead of the 50. But with this 57, it should be like 137.50 that I made between yesterday and today. Let me know what trades y'all took today down in the comments. And if y'all like my content, subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. And we'll be back at this tomorrow. All right, see y'all in the next video.